with Hurricane Sandy fast approaching. I want to make sure my son's room's ready for the storm. Oh my God. I guess the storm already hit. Hurricane Sandy already hit? Oh my God. Oh my God, where's my son? Oh my God, Hurricane Sandy already hit. Oh my God, what am I gonna do? Where's my son? His room's a mess. The storm must have taken him. Oh my God. No. Oh my God, no. Hurricane Sandy, no. I can't believe you took everything. Oh my God, no. Oh my God. Oh, better now. Storm's gone. Oh my God, back into the storm. We're gonna go back into the storm. No, Hurricane Sandy, no. Don't go. Oh my God, no. Get me out of the storm. Please, please get me out of the storm. Oh God Almighty, please. Thank God. Huh. I'm out of the storm. Let's see what's behind this door now. No, don't go.